Welcome to Lifetrons.
Let's learn how to set the intensity and timer for treatment. Plug in power adapter to the Aura phototherapy device. Switch on power supply. Switch on the device by using the power button. Device will turn on with single beep. Press program button. Set intensity by pressing min plus and min minus button. Press program button to choose the intensity. After that, press min plus button to set the timer. Set the treatment time by pressing min plus and min minus for minutes. And press HRS plus HRS minus for hours. Press program button to start the treatment. Treatment will start with single beep. Press HRS plus button to stop the treatment. Treatment will stop with 3 beeps. Let's see how to work on bypass mode. Plug in power adapter to the Aura and switch on power supply. Switch on the device by using the power button. From the back side of the Aura device, press the red switch to turn on the treatment. Treatment will start with 2 beeps, 1 beep after turning on. Press red switch again to turn off the treatment. Treatment will stop with 3 beeps.